now that we've taxied into position and we're ready for takeoff, we're going to get the airplane into the air. On the left-hand stick, we can do it slowly. We would use that nose wheel steering or that yaw control to steer a little bit if we need to. And you can see I haven't touched anything. I just gave it full power and the airplane is naturally climbing. So now that we've shown you some of the basics of flying the E-flite HABU sts in the beginner flight mode, intermediate flight mode, and the experienced flight mode, for a little bit of inspiration, we're going to show you what this aircraft is capable of. In the experienced flight mode, of course, with no limitations, this is a box stock aircraft flying with the 3S battery, essentially. And you can see that in the hands of an experienced pilot, it's a very capable model. And you can get here someday, practicing on the simulator, practicing in real life. I'll do a quick takeoff here, and then immediately roll upside down. This is what we call inverted flying. You can make tight turns upside down. Tight turn the other way upside down. And again, this is modeled just like the real aircraft. The real aircraft is capable of these maneuvers as well. And roll back to upright. Bring it back left to right here. Show you some rolls. So we'll make a roll to the right. Roll to the left. You can pull into a loop. Make a nice tight turn back this direction. Do another loop. Just a really fun to fly airplane. Not only is it an easy to fly jet, it is really one of the easiest to fly trainer aircraft that I've ever flown. And then on top of that, once your skills advance, or even if you're an experienced pilot, it is a very capable airplane. If you've flown radio-controlled aircraft before and you're ready to fly jets for the first time, this is a perfect choice for a first jet, of course. Even if you've never flown radio-controlled aircraft before, this is a perfect first model because of the aerodynamics. The engineers did a phenomenal job on that. And then on top of that, having the safe technology built in. Just a really great flying airplane. I'll go ahead and slow things down a bit, show you guys how slow it can fly, which really is what sets this design apart from a lot of jets. Most jets, you can't fly them this slow and just drag them around the sky, essentially. This airplane is so well mannered for a number of reasons. The airfoil chosen, the shape of the wing, the amount of the wing area relative to the weight of the airplane. It's just a fantastic handling aircraft with no bad habits. Again, many years ago, I would have never probably told someone that a jet would be this easy to fly, but this genuinely is easier to fly than most traditional trainer aircraft. It truly is phenomenal. You can see I'm making some really tight turns, even very, very slow right now. And then I can add the power and go back to higher speeds. And of course, you can install the optional 4S battery for even more speed, more thrust, more aerobatic capability. But you can see even on 3S battery, it's no slouch. It's got good speed. All right, we'll make one more inverted pass here and then we'll set it up for a landing. So much fun. All right, now go ahead and land it in the experienced mode. Just a really unique aircraft, a really fantastic addition to our industry, because now, if you've always wanted to learn to fly RC airplanes and you wanted to do it with a jet, you can actually do that now. All right, flare here, get her on the center line. All right, and there you have it. That is the E-flite HABU sts. A little bit of a demo flight there for you guys. Be sure to practice on the simulator, never get discouraged, follow our virtual flight instructor lessons, find an instructor in your area if you can. But either way, make sure you put plenty of time on the simulator. It really is beneficial to teaching you fly out in the real world. That's exactly why we call it RealFlight. Thank you for checking it out.